Did you know that castor oil is one of the few oils that can penetrate deep into tissues, delivering anti-inflammatory and healing effects at the cellular level? That's right. Castor oil, with its high concentration of ricinoleic acid, is a powerhouse in natural medicine. Let's explore its incredible benefits and how this ancient remedy still holds relevance today. In today's video, we will explore 6 incredible topically uses of castor oil you probably don't know about. Remember that incorporating castor oil daily is a game changer, as it can replace expensive chemical-laden products with a natural, affordable alternative that supports holistic health. And here at Simple, Smart, and Healthy, we're all about embracing the power of nature for a healthier lifestyle. Now, a small introduction about this incredible oil. Castor oil is derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant and has a rich history that dates back to ancient civilizations. It was first recorded in ancient Egypt, where it was used in religious rituals, skin care, and to treat wounds and infections. In Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine, castor oil was praised for its laxative effects, ability to heal the skin, and power to fight infections. In India and China, ancient healers used it to reduce inflammation, enhance digestion, and detoxify the body. Now, which castor oil should you choose? When selecting castor oil, quality is crucial. Here's what to look for. Opt for organic, cold-pressed castor oil from regions like India or Africa, where it's traditionally grown. As for the color, pure castor oil is pale yellow. Darker varieties, such as Jamaican black castor oil, undergo different processing but are still effective. Cold-pressed, unrefined castor oils retain the highest concentration of beneficial compounds, particularly ricinoleic acid. Moreover, make sure it's stored in glass bottle, not plastic, to keep intact all its properties. Always go for certified organic and hexane-free products to avoid chemical contamination. Now let's dive into top 6 incredible external uses. 1. Wound healing and skin health. Castor oil's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties make it a natural remedy for wound healing. Its ability to penetrate deep into tissues speeds up the healing process and prevents infections. Apply castor oil directly to the wound, or mix it with a carrier oil such as coconut oil for a gentler application. Use daily until the wound heals. 2. Hydration and skin softening. Castor oil is a highly effective moisturizer thanks to its thick consistency and ability to lock in moisture. It treats dry skin, eczema, and psoriasis by forming a protective barrier that prevents water loss. Apply castor oil to dry patches before bed and rinse in the morning for deeply hydrated skin. 3. Reducing joint pain and inflammation. For centuries, castor oil has been used to alleviate joint pain and inflammation. Ricinoleic acid penetrates tissues and modulates neurogenic inflammation, particularly useful for arthritis sufferers. Massage castor oil into the affected joints or use a castor oil pack. To create a pack, soak a cloth in castor oil, apply it to the area, and cover it with a heat pack. 4. Hair growth and scalp health. Scientific research supports castor oil's role in enhancing hair growth and improving scalp health. It stimulates hair follicles, improves blood circulation to the scalp, and reduces dandruff. Warm castor oil, mix it with a lighter oil like coconut, olive, or almond oil, can make it easier to apply and massage it evenly on your scalp and hair. This also helps to balance moisture and makes rinsing it out easier while still delivering all the benefits. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes before rinsing with mild shampoo. Use this 1 to 2 times per week. 5. Boosting immune function. Castor oil can potentially boost immune function. Studies suggest that topical application increases T cells in the skin, helping the body fight infections. Use a castor oil pack on the abdomen regularly to enhance immune function and support detoxification. 6. Anti-inflammatory and pain relief. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties have been confirmed by scientific research. It can reduce inflammation and relieve muscle soreness or minor injuries. Rub castor oil onto sore muscles after a workout or long day to reduce discomfort. Want to discover more natural remedies? Stay tuned for other informative videos where we explore the amazing benefits nature offers us. Keep learning and keep feeling amazing because your health is precious and we're here to support you every step of the way.